Morning, Dane. What were you doing a minute ago? Do you like doing that because it makes you dizzy? What were you doing a few minutes ago? Do it again. Dane. Do it. You like the dizzy feeling? Do you like the dizzy feeling? You're so sweet. You squeaked then. Are you okay? No. Are you saying no? Did you just getting dizzy? Do it. Crazy boy. Want some more breakfast?